How to connect your Stumble Guys account from mobile to Xbox. Now, all the processes that you're going to be doing is only through your Xbox account. So what you want to do is to open up your Xbox account and then make sure that you already created your Stumble Guys account so you can link this account to your Xbox from mobile to Xbox. So once you have logged into your Xbox account, just simply go straight to your account profile and then go to linking accounts. Now you just have to hit on Stumble Guys, which is already available on your Xbox account if you're only using the same account as your Stumble Guys account from your Xbox account. And that's pretty much it. That's how you actually connect your Stumble Guys account from your mobile to Xbox.